Screen mirroring your iPhone directly to your Amazon Fire Stick can be an absolute pain when the devices refuse to see each other. Many cord cutters try to connect their phones only to find that the Fire Stick does not even show up on the device list. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, we are going to show you the ultimate advanced steps to fix your connection and mirror your screen instantly. Let us jump right into the fixes. Step 1 is to navigate to the native casting menu on your Amazon Fire TV remote. Hold down the home button on your remote for a few seconds until the quick access menu pops up on your screen. Scroll over to the option labeled mirroring and select it. This places your Fire Stick into a discoverable state so it can listen for incoming wireless connections. Step 2 is to synchronize your wireless network frequencies. Your iPhone and your Amazon Fire Stick must be connected to the exact same wireless internet network name for this process to work. Open the Wi-Fi settings on both devices to verify they are connected to the same router. For the fastest streaming speeds and zero lag, make sure both devices are specifically utilizing your 5 GHz frequency band, instead of the older 2.4 GHz connection. Step 3 is to deploy the native control center on your iOS device. Pick up your iPhone and log in. Depending on your specific model of iPhone, you will either need to swipe down from the top right corner or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the control center. Locate the icon that looks like two overlapping rectangles. Tap this icon to open up the screen mirroring broadcast menu. Step 4 is to install a dedicated digital receiver if your Fire Stick still does not appear in the wireless list. A standard Fire Stick hardware profile sometimes requires an extra step compared to a full Smart Fire TV. Go back to the main search bar on your Fire Stick home screen. Type out the phrase AirPlay Receiver and select the official app from the Cloud Store. Download and install this application onto your device to bridge the communication gap between Android and Apple software. Step 5 is to launch the newly installed digital receiver and establish the final video handshake. Open up the AirPlay Receiver application on your Fire Stick screen. Once the application is running in the foreground, return to your iPhone control center and tap the screen mirroring boxes again. Select your specific Fire TV name from the updated device list, and your mobile screen will instantly mirror onto your television in full high definition. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. Wireless screen mirroring and streaming applications can experience heavy buffering and sudden drops, caused by your internet service provider tracking your local network traffic. A premium VPN keeps your online activity fully anonymous and completely bypasses strict provider bandwidth throttling. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that special link to secure your connection and run all your applications smoothly today. Stop struggling with broken casting setups and enjoy your mobile content on the big screen. Drop a like on this video if this wireless mirroring guide helped you out. Leave a comment below letting us know if your device successfully connected. Smash that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech updates. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.